I'm going to be showing you guys different types of ad creatives that you can split test, right? So in this previous example, we have two different ad creatives and we use two different videos with the exact same primary text. So if we scroll down here, and this is what I actually call the urgency factor. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to start off with 2 hours left. Sale starts today, 2 hours left. So we're just literally just hammering in, they really have to purchase today because this is the sale. And this is where we're going to offer. We're offering a 20% discount code. They can use this at the checkout. So that's the urgency factor. Another, primary text that you can do is the descriptive factor. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to be describing about the product. Okay. So let me go to AliExpress real quick and just to, grab a couple of descriptions so we can add on our Facebook ad. All right. So I'm on AliExpress. This is the supplier right here. You see that they have a couple of keywords that we can use, and they do have a description that we can actually use for our Facebook ad. So what I'm going to do is actually describe about the product. So what I'm actually going to erase this and just say introducing posture corrector. And next I'm going to just add the features or descriptive text about it. So muscle pain relief. Let's see, what else do we have? Wearing is comfortable. Here's another keyword. So comfortable and breathable. So we can copy that. We can paste that here. Make sure everything looks nice and neat, comfortable and breathable. Let's see, universal size, easy to wear without any help. You can take off without. So universal size is a good one. We want to make sure everyone is included in this. Posture corrector, universal size, and then let's do one last major benefit. So sitting position improvement, magic pace, high quality, free adjustable. Okay, here's another one, adjustable. I think that's a good one, adjustable, because we're going to let the video do all the talking. So we're going to go to getemoji.com and add a couple emojis so we can make this more appealing. We're on to getemoji.com. You can see that there's a couple of emojis that we can use, right? Make sure you use the right emoji for the right product, guys. So let's say you're promoting a dog product, use more dog emojis. Or let's say you're doing a workout fitness product, maybe use a running emoji, or a strong a strong emoji or weights emoji, right? There's a lot of options that you can choose, guys, but just make sure it resonates with your brand. So for these features, I'm actually going to be looking for a check mark, just so that I know that it gives them a green light for them to know that we have a lot of different features for this product, right? So introducing the new improved posture corrector. I'm going to get another emoji. Let's actually use this one right here. So we're going to paste that here at the end. And then lastly, we're just going to say get posture corrector for 20% off for using code 20 or 20 using code save 20 for 20% off. And that's one ad creative. So basically this angle is the descriptive factor. You don't see me saying, hurry up, get this here, or hurry up, limited stock available. We're just describing about the product, and then we're just saying, get it here. If you want 20% off, you can click the link. Very, very simple. We used the same video or a different video, and that's just one different angle. All right, guys. So here's another angle and another ad creative that you can come at your customer so that, you're testing out different ad creatives, right? You're split testing here. So like I said, I showed you a couple examples in my past videos. You do want to check that out, but this one is called the influencer strategy. So basically you're going to be sending a product. So basically we would send this posture corrector to an influencer, and we would basically ask them to post a picture for us so that we can use for our Facebook ad. So let's use this as an example. Let's say, this is Martha. We sent her a posture corrector, and this is the image that she sent us, right? So whatever post that they posted on their page, you're going to use the exact same thing on your Facebook ad. So let's say they have a little paragraph, and basically you would just add them. So you would say at Martha, right? Let's say that's their Instagram page. And then let's say they have, a 1 to 2 sentence about the product. So let's use these as placeholders. They said about the product, it's cool. It helped me improve my back. This is one of the best inventions ever. I never thought, this invention would ever happen or be created in this world, blah, 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 right? And then at the end, you could say, click the link to order yours, right at the end of that review. And basically the review that they write, you just put them in quotation marks, knowing that, you know, this is what they actually said. And then now, you know, customers or potential clients can go and click this page, and then they're going to actually see the product on their page and know that you're associated with her, and, you know, she's associated with your brand. And now they have social proof. Somebody has actually already trusted your brand. They probably have 10K followers or 100,000 followers or even 1 million followers. But at the end of the day, customers can now click this link and have a social proof that you're a legit brand. You know, you actually have products that, you know, actually can help people, and they can actually click the link so that they can order, and then they can order here by clicking this link, right? So it's pretty effective, just because you have this social proof, and it's a different angle that you probably not going to find anywhere else. So you definitely want to split test this as well. All right, guys, so in this section, we're going to be using a different ad creative. So in my previous examples, we've been using a whole lot of videos, right? We had 2 different videos. We've been using the urgency factor, just like right here for this example, where it says, you know, 2 hours left, or, you know, sales starts today, just to get people to actually click the link so that they can actually go on the website, so that they don't miss out on that sale. We've actually, you know, used the descriptive factor, where we actually, you know, state out the product, and then we're just using major benefits and key, you know, points about the product, which is very important, right? Now, another thing that you need to split test, guys, is use images. Images will take you a long way, and it does sometimes, you know, work better than videos. And for this example, you can see that, you know, this is just an image from AliExpress. I actually went on AliExpress and I took an image from the product page right here. So I'm using this image just so that I can split test a video and an image, and I can just literally keep everything the same, right? Introducing the new and improved posture corrector, listing out the benefits. You can get the posture corrector for 20% off using code SAVE20, so that they can click the link, and it's just in a different angle. And I'm actually going to show you guys the coupon code ad creative. So this basically means that we're getting straight to the point. We telling what the product is, and we're just promoting a coupon code so that when they land on our page, they can use the exact code. And this is really effective because it's straight to the point. So we're actually going to say posture. Like you see over here, it's really simple, guys. It gets straight to the point. Posture corrector for a new and improved back. I probably would make this, you know, a little bit shorter, probably posture corrector for your back, or, you know, something very simple, just a regular 1 sentence for your product. And then 10% off using SAVE10. This coupon expires tonight, and then they can order it right here. And like I said, it's straight to the point, and you do want to add some emojis. So let's say we're using this one right here, since we're, you know, emphasizing that we want them to use the coupon code. So we're just gonna click this, we're gonna use that right there. And since this is, you know, a 1 sentence word, you do want to put this between emojis so that it kind of divides you know, the actual text itself and the coupon code that you're actually offering. So let me go and find a good emoji that we can use. Let's say this one right here. So we're gonna copy that, we're going to paste that here, and we're going to paste that there. So now you see that this is actually divided so that they can actually read the sentence, and then it gets straight to the point where it says use 10% off using SAVE10, and this coupon expires tonight, and they can just click the link. Very simple and very effective. And this is just one of many ways and different angles that you can come at a customer when you want to write different ad creatives.